Hello everybody, I've gotten a few questions on how to save today's worksheet as a PDF, so I thought I would show you guys how to do it on an iPad. Now, if you are doing this on a computer or on a phone, it's going to look a little bit different, but I will show you guys today how I'm doing it on my iPad to give you an idea of what you should be doing. So, if you go to Google Classroom, obviously your page will look a little bit different than mine. And you go to the classwork tab where you always access your work. You're going to click on the Unit 1 Day 5 notes. And I'll help Beast Mouth since she's right here, okay? You're going to click on this document. Okay. You're then going to click on this button in the top right corner. This is going to open up your document in Google Docs. So you need to make sure that you have Google Docs open as well. You're then going to click on these three dots in the top right corner again, and you're going to click on the section that says Share and Export. When you click on that, you're going to select Send a Copy, and then you get the option to download it as a PDF or a Word document. You can use either of these options. It'll just be a little bit different depending on what program you're using. So I'll show you how to use either. If you download it as a Word document, you're then going to click the button Save to Files, and you can save it in the, if you're using an iPad, you can save it in the program Pages. Okay, so then if you go over to the Pages app, ignore this, you can then access that document in Pages. So it will open up your document. If you click the Edit tab, you then have the option to write on your screen. So right now it's on highlighter, but you can switch over to a pen, and you'll be able to make your data points and make your dots, or make your lines. Okay, so that is how you do it as a Word document in the Pages app. But you can also save it as a PDF. So if you want to save it as a PDF, you'll go back over to Google Docs where we just were. Same thing, you're going to click on those three dots in the top right corner, go to Share and Export, Send a Copy, and this time you're going to save it as a PDF. Click OK, and then you can save to Files. All right, so now, if you go to your Files app, or actually I'm just going to search by PDF and pull that one up. This is Eunice's, but it'll work. You can open up that PDF in the Files app. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we've got Eunice's and Beastmas right here. And now this is accessible as a PDF, okay? So you can still do the same thing. You can draw on your screen, make your lines, fill everything in, etc. Okay? So that is how you access your document as either a PDF or a Word document. And then you should be able to then directly upload those documents back onto Google Classroom to receive credit for today's notes. All right, if anyone's having any trouble with that or has any additional